AI will take your job. You must have heard this a million times by now, but here's the actual truth. AI won't take your job, but someone who understands AI sure will. That's exactly why this course exists. From today, I'm trying to create a free AI crash course, one video each week. By the end of this course, you won't just know AI, you will be AI ready. Even if today you know absolutely nothing about AI. To understand this, let me take you back in time. Imagine it's 1995 and there's a company where there's a guy named as Thomas working. Thomas is a best typewriter and he takes care of all the books where he keeps them. He takes care of all the files, he works with paper, and he knows what to do with all the ledgers. But slowly, this company starts to introduce computers. Now Thomas looks at the glowing screen and says, "These things cannot replace me, these things cannot write the way I write," and then he just refused it at all. He said he's not gonna use that. But Thomas had a colleague named Sarah. Sarah saw that, and then Sarah slowly starts to learn that over the weekend. She starts to understand spreadsheet and everything. I'll tell you what happened to the Thomas in the end of the video. But today we are standing at the same place where Thomas was in 1995. The computer at that time is now AI. So what is AI? Today I'll take you from absolutely zero to what is AI and why it matters. Now let's remove the mystery. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Don't let the name scare you. AI is basically a system that understands lots of data and predicts what comes next. It understands a lot of data and it predicts what can come next. For example, if I say, once upon a, you must be thinking time. Exactly this is how AI works. So the way that you thought that once upon a time, you must have seen this pattern before. That's why you got that thinking that once upon a, after that, the only thing that can come, maybe it's time. Same thing you must have learned through the patterns. AI works the exact same way. It learns from the patterns. And patterns are from the data, and it's a huge data. So AI works at a level that no human can. But basically, it's a system that just predicts what can come next. Let's understand why AI matters. AI matters because your kid might be learning it in the school. AI matters because your competitor might already be using it. It matters because your colleague might learn it over the weekend. And it matters because your boss can come to you any day now and say you need to start using AI. And if you're thinking you don't even know the basics of AI, no worries, because if you stick around this course, you will learn it by the end of this course. Easy. It's no technical stuff, just easy stuff. Now let's understand if AI is future stuff or AI is present. If you're going anywhere using Google Maps and it shows you a different way and says it can save you 5 minutes, that's AI. That's AI that's learning the patterns of the traffic and sharing with you that if you take this route, you'll save 5 minutes. That's AI that's working in the background. If your YouTube feed looks totally different than your friend, that's AI that's pushing you the content that is as per your taste and you like to watch, but not your friend. If you're using Netflix, you might get the videos and content as per your liking, but if you look at your father's or your mother's, they might be totally different because what they like, you might not like. So Netflix will never push that content to you, which is why your feed looks different. But who's working in the background to do this maths? This is AI that's working and helping the algorithm to show you what you like. So AI is no more future tech. It's already present and we are using it without realizing where we are using it. Now let's understand how AI can help you. If you're a student, AI can help you understand the concepts. AI can help you summarize your chapters and it can help you revise. If you're a doctor, AI can help you analyze reports of your patient within seconds. If you are a business owner, it can help you create automated business workflows. It can help you automate your emails. It can help you to manage your data, and it can help you creating ads. If you are a homemaker, it can help you plan your budget. It can help you plan your meals, and it can help you planning your schedules. If you are just an employee, It can help you cut down your workload in the half. AI doesn't see your profession. AI just see your intent and what you're asking. AI can help you in any way possible. Remember Thomas, who refused to use computer? What happened to him? What happened to him was he was slowly replaced, not to a computer. He was slowly replaced to Sarah. He got replaced to Sarah not because Sarah was way better than him. He got replaced with Sarah because Sarah learned how to use the tools and Sarah became 10 times faster, making him exit the job. So AI is not your enemy. AI is not like a monster. AI is just a multiplier. It just multiplies your skills. So this was the first video. This was just an overview. In the next video, I'll show you how AI model runs and how tools like ChatGPT help you answer your question and how you should prompt. Prompt is basically a way to ask a question to an AI. By the end of this course, you won't fear AI, you'll control it. Remember this, technology never replaces humans. The people who uses technology replaces people who don't. So don't watch the future happen, be a part of it. I'll see you in the next video.